Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video, we will look into various aspects of our examination, that is UPSC Civil Services exam, in which we will look at eligibility criteria in terms of age, number of attempts, then we will look at exam pattern, then exam syllabus, then we will look at types of services offered, and at last we will look at prelims and mains cutoff trend of past 2 to 3 years. So I have compiled all these details from UPSC official document, which I will be attaching in the comments below. So you can download that file from there. I have highlighted the important aspects, and those aspects will be discussed by me in this video as well. So let's get started with all the details about this exam. So first, let us see about eligibility criteria. So as per UPSC, minimum age required to fill the form of this examination is 21 years, and maximum age is 32 years for unreserved candidates. Now this minimum age remains same for all the categories, but this age changes for various categories. So for OBC, 3-year relaxation is given. For SC and ST, 5-year relaxation. For person with benchmark disabilities, 10-year relaxation is given. When we talk about age, then as we have discussed, for unreserved category or general category, it is 32 years. For OBC, 35 years. For SC and ST, 37 years. And person with benchmark disability is 42 years. For number of attempts, for general it is 6 attempts. For OBC and person with benchmark disability, it is 9 attempts. And for SC and ST, unlimited attempts. For degree, for being eligible to write this exam, is graduation degree from any college that is recognized under UGC. So to be eligible for this exam, minimum age is 21 years. You need to have a graduation degree, and these are some of the relaxations that are given to category students. Now moving forward, understand about exam pattern. So this exam occur in 2 stages: prelims and mains. In prelims, we have 2 exams: paper 1, paper 2. Both are objective papers of 200 marks each. So total 400 marks. Out of these 2 papers, paper 2 is qualifying paper, it means 33% marks are required in this paper out of 200. And paper 1 is used for merit purposes. That is, more number of marks, you have higher chances of being selected. So this paper is used for merit purposes. Paper 2 is for qualifying purposes. We will discuss about the syllabus as well. But first, let us understand about exam pattern. Mains consist of two stages, that is written and interview or personality test. Now this written exam, here also there are qualifying papers, two papers of 300 marks each. And for merit purposes, there are paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, paper 5, plus optional paper 1, optional paper 2. So total 5 plus 2, 7 papers are conducted for merit purposes. Each paper consists of 250 marks. So 250 into 7, that is 1750 marks. So 1750 marks written paper for merit purposes, and this 600 marks is for qualifying purposes. So these papers are not included for merit purposes. Adding to it, interview is conducted, that is of 275 marks. So total marks used for purposes of merit is 275 marks plus 1750 marks, that is 2025 marks. So this is the overall exam pattern for UPSC Civil Services. Now let us understand briefly about examination syllabus. So third part is syllabus. So first let us discuss about prelims. So as we have discussed, there are two papers that are conducted at this stage, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is used for merit purposes, 200 marks, 100 questions of 2 marks each. So total 200 marks. There is negative marking as well in both the papers. It is also of 200 marks, out of which you need to get 33%, that is 66.67 marks. Now syllabus of paper 1 consists of polity, economy, history, environment, geography, science and technology, etc. Means entire general studies syllabus is part of this paper. For more details, you can refer to the PDF that is attached below. So this is the brief about the syllabus. For paper 2, which is qualifying, the syllabus is arithmetic, reasoning. Basically, paper 2 is of CSET, analytical ability. So this is the syllabus of prelims paper. Now, when it comes to mains written. Mains written, we have paper 1, that is essay, paper 2, that is GS1, paper 3, that is GS2, paper 4, that is GS3, paper 5, that is GS4. Along with it, there are two optional papers of 250 marks each. So total 500 marks of optional. So for our exam purposes, there are total 26 subjects are given, out of which we have to choose one. Some of the examples are chemistry, physics, civil engineering, commerce, etc. So total 26 subjects are mentioned, out of which we have to choose one subject for optional. So this is about optional. Now this each paper consists of 250 marks. So total GS papers are of 250 into 5, that is 1250 marks. So paper 1 is of essay. We have to write 2 essays of 125 marks each. Then GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4. So these are for GS papers, and the syllabus is polity, economy, society, geography, ethics, which are distributed across these 4 papers. For more details, I have attached the PDF file. You can refer to that. So this is about mains written exam. Now about mains personality test. So here interview takes place at UPSC Bhavan Delhi, which consists of 275 marks. And as I have earlier told you that total 1750 plus 225, that is 2025 marks. And merit is calculated based on these marks. Now, in the end, let us see the services that are being offered. So UPSC Civil Services exam offers 19 type of services. Services which are of A grade and B grade. All are gazetted posts. Some of these services are well known to all of us, such as IAS, IPS, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service, Indian Revenue Service, Indian Foreign Service, etc. So there are total 19 services. 4 of them are mentioned here, for which UPSC conducts civil service examination. Let us discuss about how many students appear in this exam and how many make into final list. So usually the total number of seats available per year hovers around 750 to 900, depending on number of vacancies. So for prelims examination, UPSC Civil Service candidates are roughly around 8 to 10 lakhs. So UPSC selects. So first let us understand the exam pattern, that is prelims, mains, that is written, then interview. So total number of seats are, let's suppose, 900. So UPSC selects around 12 times of the number of seats available. So that means in prelims, number of students selected will be roughly around 10,800 out of 8 to 10 lakh. Now these students will write mains written exam, and UPSC then selects around 2.3 times of number of seats available. It means in written examination, UPSC will select 2.3 into 900. That comes roughly around, if you multiply it, 9 3 is 27, 2, 9 2 is 18, or 220. That means UPSC will select 2,270 students for interview purposes. And then final list comes out of 900 students who makes through this exam. So this is the mathematics of number of students which are selected at prelim stage, mains written stage, and then in final list. So now let us look at the cutoff of prelims and mains exam in last couple of years. So in 2020, the prelims cutoff for general category was 92 marks. For OBC, it was 89 marks. For SC, it was 74 marks. For ST, it was 68 marks. For EWS, it was 77 marks. This is for prelims out of 200 marks. For mains written exam, that is of 750 marks, the cutoff for general category was 736, and for reserved category it was 30 to 40 marks below the general cutoff. And as we have discussed, the interview is of 275 marks, so 275 plus 1750, so that is final cutoff out of 2025. For general category it is 944, and for categories it is in 30 to 40 marks lesser than general category. If you look at 2021, the cutoff is even below than last year. That is, for general it was 87 marks, whereas for 2020 it was 2021 it was 92 marks. So this is for general category 87 marks, and for other categories it is somewhat lesser than general category. For mains, the general cutoff was 745, whereas final cutoff for being into the list was 953 out of 2025. So as you all can see that to clear prelims, we need less than 50% marks. That is, even if you are a general category candidate, you need to attempt net 45 questions correct, because we have negative marking as well. So net 45 correct questions is good enough to clear the prelim stage. And for main stage, it is 745 out of 1750. So this is also roughly around in between 40 to 45%. And same was in 2020 as well. So that's all about the cutoff marks in 2020 and 21. You can find the PDF attached in the comments below. And if I'm unable to attach the PDF, then I'll be sharing a Telegram link. So go to that Telegram page and download the PDF file, which is downloaded from UPSC official website, where I have highlighted the parts of eligibility criteria and other aspects. So stay connected with this channel for more civil service related videos. If you like this video, then subscribe to the channel, and thank you.